Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this viral and aesthetic video opening on CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is add a logo or maybe your video title to CapCut like this. I'm using this as my opening, let's say. And after that, you can just add overlay. So I'm going to use the overlay from the stock video, this black overlay right here. Click on add. Okay, now adjust the size. And I'm going to adjust the duration first. Go to mask. And in here, click on the mirror options. Now adjust the size like this and make it diagonal like this, and adjust or drag the arrow to have like this blurry edges effect. Okay, now click on the check icon and put it at the top like this. Now add a keyframe and go to the end of the overlay and add another keyframe. Then in here, drag the overlay to the bottom like so. So it will have that movement. But if you want, you can always adjust it as you like. You can adjust the blur, and also if you want to make it smoother, you can add speed grabs on the keyframe like that. You can adjust it how you like. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.